I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a tuna sandwich for business. To begin, select your core ingredients carefully. You will need about 6 ounces of high-quality canned tuna, 3 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of finely diced celery, and 2 tablespoons of red onion. Don't forget fresh bread and essential seasonings like salt, pepper, and a touch of Dijon mustard for that perfect flavor profile. Now, let's craft the delicious tuna salad. First, drain your tuna completely. This prevents a watery sandwich. Next, finely dice about 1/4 cup of crisp celery and 2 tablespoons of red onion for texture and flavor. Combine these with your tuna, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and seasonings. Mix everything gently until it's perfectly creamy and well blended, ensuring a consistent taste in every bite. With your tuna salad ready, it's time for assembly. Take 2 slices of your chosen fresh bread. Spread a generous, even layer of the tuna salad onto one slice, extending almost to the edges. For added freshness and crunch, layer on crisp lettuce leaves and thin slices of ripe tomato. Finally, place the second slice of bread on top, then cut the sandwich neatly, perhaps diagonally, for an inviting presentation. The final step is crucial for business: packaging and presentation. Wrap each sandwich tightly in parchment paper or clear plastic wrap to maintain freshness and prevent drying. Clearly label each package with its contents and the preparation date for customer information and food safety. Store your finished sandwiches in a refrigerated display case at a consistent 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Offering a side like chips or fresh fruit can also enhance your product's appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.